Welcome to the Global News English. Today we will conduct details analysis the major foreign news from across the global. We will cover everything is video from Prime Minister Modi important foreign visit to natural disaster and political changes. Watch till end video. Friends, first Indian diplomatic success Prime Minister Modi has been invited the chief guest for the National Day celebration of Seychelles. This testifies India growth influence the Indian Ocean Seychelles in crucial for security and economic region. This visit will further strengthen bilateral ties. WhatsApp head Kunal Shah. WhatsApp global head Kunal Shah, another Front Movement India origin. Kunal Shah has been appointed as the global head of WhatsApp. This is not first time Indian talented have taken charge up to position in major global companies. Let's look at how Kunal Shah experience and vision will and WhatsApp growth. Next, the devastating natural disaster in Venezuela. Strong earthquake have occurred three. Their back-to-back powerful quakes have brought terrible destruction within minutes. Over 120 160 people have died and understanding you seriously injuries research operations continue. The death of tool might rise. This in devastating explosion at gas plant Qatar. 13 people including several Indian have lost their life. Many have been injured and some are missing. Let's find out the cases of this incident and the details of discussion in Indian will be government and families the visiting, and let's discuss how to prevent such incident. The most critical news, Hormuz Strait closed in Iran, has made this discussion following Israel attack on Lebanon. Trump has stated the Hormuz Strait entirely under their control. This is USA sent has passed relations prevent war against Iran and important US talk to have counseled. Trump said two world make focus attack Iran and told Trump to be careful. The in have also said other for 60 days there will be on tariff for shop navigating in Hormuz Strait. Khamenei funeral innovations. There are also reports that Prime Minister Modi has been invited to funeral of Iran's Prime Minister Supreme Leader Khamenei. The central government has advised against anniversary travel Iran to where will be US-Iran relationship lead. Let's discuss then in issue. Change in the international leadership. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer has resigned. Trump has already protected his resignation. Trump and Meloni's discussed were also the news. Meloni told Trump that she had gained nothing from their friendship. Trump said Meloni is saying yearning to his friend. This was completed analysis to today global news. What is your opinion on this news? Let me know this. Comment, like and share. Subscribe your like in the video. See you the next video. Thank you for watch full video. See you. Bye bye.